Hey, it's Jeff from Corona Cigar, and today we're doing a video review of the Diamond Crown Cigar, but we're not at Corona Cigar, we're in the Cigar City of Tampa, here at the J.C. Newman factory. And I have Bobby Newman here, who is the third generation Newman on the, with the J.C. Newman.
On the pecking
order.
Grandpa JC's, this was his old office, and this is where he left this earth at the age of 83. And then Dad took over. This was in 1958. Dad took over, and Dad was in my brother's office in 2006. He was talking to Eric, and he was 90 years old and 12 weeks, and his heart stopped. It was terrible, but everybody watching this video, I am sure, 99.9% of you, and all of us included, would love to go out like that with your boots on. This was his dream. He said, before I die, he was 80 years old, 100th anniversary, the company's gonna be 100 years old. I want to come out with the finest cigar that is humanly possible to make. It's, at the time, Connecticut Shade, real Connecticut Shade, was the very popular. Be a Dominican binder, and we're going to use a blend of 7 different types of long filler, and all 54 ring gauge. And this was his dream. He was telling Eric and me about this. We're going to start with it's going to go from a Robusto, a 4.5, all the way to an 8.5 by 54. And Eric and I said, well, Dad, what if someone wants to smoke a thinner cigar? He said, let them smoke somebody else's. We may be the last people standing using Connecticut Shade. But
we'll make sure we keep selling it. And as long as people know, that's why we push it. That's the thing. Consumers now are more educated on what is actually the cigars are made of. They're paying a little more attention to it. So, you know, hey, people know it costs more money to grow stuff in the United States than it does in these other countries, but it's worth it. So enjoy Diamond Crown.